as soon as I put the dryer on, the bubble seems to have disappeared. A little spot there that isn't exactly even, but at this point I don't know whether it would be a better idea to leave it. So I got an extension cord for my dryer. I got a little black spot there. I don't know what that is. I'll have to, probably some dust. Now, see, my drain is completely covered. So, I know that there, oh, sorry. I got a little spot here that I definitely will need to do something with. Got some more stuff I can do with that. But it looks good. Now, if it stays this way, I'll be very happy. Let me see when I'm supposed to take that drain apart. Got a little uneven spot there. But I still got a little bit left in the bucket for whatever spots I need to do. And I don't even see any bubbles. Ooh, you know what? That black stuff is coming from a dryer. And I did get too close. I have a speckled tub. Let's just see. I'll get some of that stuff. Put down. I'm back. Okay, so the guys on the video, they have probably a whole lot of experience doing this. I don't. So I got plenty of this stuff on my hand. Well, since I turned off the water, I'm thinking, how am I going to get it off my hand? So I got a rag and tried to wipe it, and that doesn't work. It kind of feels kind of sticky, and so I had the spray alcohol that I used to dry the tub before I did this, and it works great for getting that off. So that's what I used. I get a little spot here. I don't know if you can see it. A little dusting. I don't know if I could take it out, or yeah, I could take it out. It looks like it'll even up. I might put a little dot there because I still have a little bit left. But I don't know, I can't really tell. My thing is not getting clear. Usually it gets clear on me, but it's not clearing up. But it's looking pretty good. Alright, so I got to read the directions again and make sure I've done everything I'm supposed to do to this point. And the diaper's working great. I haven't had any water dripping, thank goodness. It's safe in that glove, and it's taped up there. I got a little spot there I need to do. But this flash makes it easy to see any spots. So I'm going to put a little bit more there, put a little bit there, and hopefully it'll self-level like it says. It's still coming down off the tub, so I got even a little bit more down on the floor. It is what it is. I can't put the tape down there anymore. I'm guessing that if I ever do this again, I would definitely get something a little bit more secure than the masking tape, because that did not work. Not the way I walk around on it. Okay, so I am done messing with the glaze. I did take the masking tape off around the edges because it's fine there. this continues to, I guess, because of the leveling, it's dripping on the floor. So I will come back and clean that up. And I did wipe my hands with alcohol, which took the stuff off. So hopefully putting alcohol on the floor will do that. I'm waiting a little bit longer before I take the drain out because since it's still leveling, I don't want to have it level into the drain. So I'm going to wait a little bit longer to take that part out. And I'm going to come back in a little while and check it out. And if it's ready, I will take that out and we'll see what it looks like. And hopefully it'll look good. I hope. We'll see.